Here's the strategy, okay, that I took, and it changed everything. Let me show you the analytics. So all time video views are now. Okay, first let's start with 2HE215. He reached out to me through Instagram and he said, did you get approved fairly quickly? Been saved, been sad, been through it, but he never laughed me, never laughed me. Been saved, been sad, been through it, but he never laughed me. Okay, so I want to start by answering some of your questions, but let me just show you the analytics. I just took this screenshot today, this morning, 8 a.m., January 8th. Also, keeping this shameless plug in the middle of the screen, Fear No Evil is out now. It's irrelevant to the actual analytics that you see because that's all of my songs all together, including the beats. Total video views is 341,000. I recorded the other parts of this video about a month ago. And so that way you can see how much has changed in just 1 month. So let me go ahead and answer these questions. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll make sure to answer them in my next video. All right, much love. 2HE215. He reached out to me through Instagram. So I responded back and said, it usually takes about a week. Give it about 7 business days. And so that's a question I get a lot, is like, how much time did it take? The other question that they asked was, do you think it's worth publishing music through them? And I'd say yes, and here's why. Just look at these analytics here. I haven't seen these numbers anywhere else. As an independent artist, I'm also unknown. I have less than 10,000 followers, almost near 5K as of January 2023. And so as an unknown artist, these numbers are usually not heard of. And so I think because I'm using TikTok and the strategies that I'm using that I'm going to go over in this video, I would say absolutely it's worth going through SOUNDON, in my opinion. Okay, the next question, they take 10% after the first year. Actually, you'll always keep your 100% ownership and receive 100% royalties in the first year, but the second year they actually take 10% of the royalties. So just keep that in mind, and that's all in their contract that you'll end up signing through DocuSign. So make sure you read through that entire contract. As we know, as time progresses, they may change. That way you'll know exactly what you're getting yourself into, and it's up to you to sign it. It's your decision, your rights, your music. Another question that pairs along well with royalties is, do you have to pay anything? No, you don't have to pay anything, but just keep in mind the second year they will take 10% of your royalties, and that's all in your contract that you sign. All right, another question asked is, where can you use SOUNDON at? And right now it's available in the US. Feel free to pause the screen to read what SOUNDON's website has to say about this question as well. Another great question is, do they pay TikTok royalties on a monthly basis or quarterly? So they give you a My Earnings tab, which shows you how much you made on each song, as you can see here. All right, and you can see here it says, please note the minimum payout threshold is $10. And you can click withdraw when you reach that. There's also an option to view your withdrawal history. And the last question is, do they distribute music videos? And really it's TikTok, so pretty much you put your videos on TikTok and that is the music video. And so it's totally different than your normal type of music video. You only need about 15 to 30 seconds. And there you have it. Here's an example of an actual music video that I put on YouTube, how I alternated it to be able to fit TikTok's platform. And this is a 7-second clip, but you can do a 15-second clip or a 30-second clip. So it all depends on the audience engagement for your channel. Hey guys, I know it's been a while, and so here I am. I'm back in my bed again because I'm trying to do this really quickly. I had a lot of questions, and so I've got a lot of answers for you on how things are going. So firstly, the music tab is now available on my profile. Just looking at the stats here as of today, December 5th. See, I've got my computer with me right here. Okay, so I'm reading through here and I'm going to show you some stuff on the screen. Okay, so here's the strategy, okay, that I and it changed everything. Let me show you the analytics. So all time video views are now 300,000. Yeah, 300,000. That shifted in October when I changed my strategy to learn how to make beats. Okay, because I'm a creator myself, and what I use a lot and what I found other people use a lot are instrumentals. Yeah, there's those trending sounds every once in a while, but what will outlast that, what will go on into eternity, is just a beat that is a popular sound, type of beat, like genre, Afrobeat, you know, and I'm learning every day on what type of beats people like, and the ones that they don't like, I'm learning that too. So it's a continuous journey. I wanted to make sure I did this because I get so many questions. A lot of people have been asking, how are things going? And I just want to say, like, it's strategy. Please think about your strategy. Who is going to use your sound? Okay, that's very important. I started to think that way. I started to think who is going to use my sound on TikTok, and that's when things shifted for me. It's not to say it's astronomical. It's just better than what it would have been if I would have stayed on that same path that I was doing. So here's some other new things that happened. This is the pre-save link for one of the beats that I put out. I put out 3 beats at a time, so this is actually a pack of beats that's available as a sound on TikTok. And so that's what it looks like. Here's an email between me and the support team. They respond fairly quickly, and so I just wanted to show you they do communicate with you. So pretty much this is an example of how they disapproved at first, and then I went back and edited, made some changes, and then they approved it. So just keep trying. Now at this point I have so many songs that they don't all show in my music tab. And so here's a way to find your songs. If they don't show in your music tab, you just go under search when you click add sound. The song that I listed it as in my analytics, if you don't remember what you're listed as, because there's so many different beats that you can have different names. I don't remember all of mine, so I have to look at my analytics to find the name. So this is the So Cold beat, and I'll play it for you. Been sad, been through it, but he never laughed me.